So how do you sign your name with the Apple Pencil in Photoshop on iPad? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so you can open up your Photoshop if you specifically want to use that software. And once you have your document or photo or whatever it is on the full screen, what you have to do is go to the layers or like that and make sure you add a new layer, right? So you click on the plus button, you tap on a new layer and you will have it right there. So then you go to the left panel and choose the brush tool, right? So you get to pick the color and of course all of the other things like the thickness and even the style of the brush. So perhaps if you want to just write regularly, you might choose like the regular, nothing really that fancy, but you can just start doing that, right? So you can go on to the empty layer and you can just start drawing whatever you want, and that's how you can add or sign your name with a pencil through Photoshop. Keep in mind, however, that a lot of people don't really use Photoshop for signing documents if that's what you're going after, because you can find it inside of the Files app. Like if you have some PDFs or something which you want to sign, you can usually just tap on it like this and you have a dedicated button for like signing, right? So you can click on that and then tap on the plus button, tap on add a signature. You can add a new one or use your existing ones and just bring your signature like that to your project, right? So it kind of depends on what exactly you need or what you're going after, but these are the options which we have available. So let me know more about your situation. Perhaps I can help you further, but most definitely subscribe and stay tuned so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.